Good afternoon. A story just come in of two councils, both equal in respect and authority. In sunny Sydney, where we lay our scene, old disputes have sparked a new wave of unrest, and rival councils send their spies on petty missions. From the northern shores to the southern sands, each send a spy with a secret plan in hand. But these two spies, in love unknowing, have hearts already softly loving. But when masks are dropped and truth is revealed, they find their feud was never real. For in this tale of sunsets and spies, love wins and petty politics dies.
Wait, you forgot your wallet! Your wallet! Wait! That really hurt.
It's alright, Findesi did it.
I've been running for a day, I just wanted to give you back your wallet!
Oh my gosh, that was close. Wait. My wallet! Oh my gosh, do you have my wallet?
Wait, you forgot your wallet?
You forgot your moustache. Oh my gosh, she's right. I did forget my moustache. Not like I forgot to film with it or anything. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for bringing me back my wallet. I really need my wallet.
I literally Caitlin?
Bro, Kevin!
Oh my god!
Oh, I did! How's it been?
Oh, not bad actually.
What are you doing here?
I don't know, what are you doing here? Crazy that you're here right now, like what? Wait. Do you work for the Northern Beaches Council?
Do you work for the Southern Beaches Council?
I asked first.
I asked second.
I can't believe my best friend works for the worst council ever.
Correction. I can't believe my best friend works for the worst council ever.
My council is not that bad.
It's so bad.
Well, actually, I was actually near your council today, and it wasn't actually that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Like, I was kind of near yours, and like, it wasn't terrible.
And like, maybe my council may have sent me on a mission to find anything possibly bad with your council.
And like, maybe my council did that too. Why don't we compare notes to see what's wrong with our councils?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And they connected the dots and realized the only thing their councils needed were each other. Aww. Mate, that beach's announcement.
Yeah, nah, that's so AI.